So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to remove friends on Monopoly Go. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So to remove friends here on Monopoly Go, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is log into your own Monopoly Go account in your Android or iOS devices. And then here in the corner part of your screen, you're going to see the friends button. So you just press the friends and you head on to your leaderboards, and as you can see here in your leaderboards, there's going to be global, local, and friends. So here you will see all your friends listed here in this section. So you have as you can see here, I have pretty few friends. So here all you have to do to remove friends is just press the player that you want to remove, and then just press remove and then remove, and there you go, you have removed them from your friend list. And that is how you just remove friends on Monopoly Go. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching again.